Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Binance to a bank account. So start by opening up your Binance, and then you're going to need to click on your profile on the top left of your screen, and then you just need to click on this more services. Once you're in, click on this P2P, and then you're just going to need to make sure to select your coin. If you have USDT, Bitcoin, BNB, or Ethereum, then you're just going to need to go into the sell option and click on the payments. Now in the payment, make sure to select bank transfer and click on the confirm on the bottom of your screen. Now once you do so, you can also go with the amount. Let's say you want to go with $100 and click on confirm option. Now this is going to change accordingly, like how much money can a trader give you. So you need to make sure to select the amount and then click on sell option. You can simply go with any other seller and then click on select pay method and click on bank transfer. Now you need to simply enter the card number or name, bank name, your account opening branch, and your IBN, and then click on confirm on the bottom of your screen, and you're going to receive your money into your bank account. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.